Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply log in on Uphold app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Uphold app on your mobile phone, and right afterward this kind of interface is gonna pop up. Now you can tap on this option of login at the bottom. Enter your email address that you created your account with, enter your password that you added for the verification and the security purpose, and tap on sign in. You will be able to sign in right away likewise. But in case if you have forgotten your password, tap on this option of forgot password. Enter your email so you can receive the recovery email on your inbox. Go ahead, tap on it and add in the code, verifying that it is you, and then change your password accordingly, paste it and tap on sign in again, and there we go. You will be able to sign in to your Uphold account likewise, and that is it. So that's how you can do it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.